how to prove radical equations. In radical equations, today we will use two radicals and a cube root. What does this mean? Let's go look at the example here. For example, number one, solve, okay? Solve the following radical equation, okay? So this is x minus 2 minus square root of 2x minus 6 equals to 1. All right. So when I have something like this, how can I solve it? I can tackle this problem using different techniques, but the first thing is I have to separate both, okay? I have to separate both the radical, both radicals. So what I can do is simply I can move this minus 2x minus 6 to the right side. That means that I will have x minus 2 on the left side. I can say equals to 1 plus, this is going to be square root of 2x minus 6. Okay, 2x minus 6. Okay, great. Now the next step is square both. After separate both, I'm gonna square both. Square both will give me like this. Square root of x minus 2, the whole square, equals to 1 plus square root of the x minus 6, the whole square. Okay, now what will happen? Well, in the left side, this square will take care of the square root sign, and then it will give me simply x minus 2 equals to 1 plus square root of 2x minus 6, the whole square, the whole square. Now you have to be careful here. In the right side, I have 1 plus square root of 2x minus 6, the whole square. Well, at this point, I can remember something. That is the square of the sums. What are the square of the sums? Well, square of sums, right? That means if you have a plus b, the whole square, this is gonna be a square plus twice of ab plus b squared. This is one of the equations, all right? So the second part, look at this very carefully. So this number one is considered as a, okay, this considered as a, and then this part is going to be considered as b. So I can use this one my b and then this one my a. So this will take me to this x minus 2 equals to, let me follow this pattern and then change it into this now. A square means just 1 square because 1 is acting like my a, plus twice of a is just 1, and then my b is, look at this b is this one right here is just my b now. So that means square root of 2x minus 6, okay, plus, right, plus b square. B square part is now this one, the square root of 2x minus 6. So that's the b under square root, and then if I square it, so that will, let's say if this is 2x minus 6, right? So this is b. If I square it, well, this will cancel to this one, and then I remain with 2x minus 6. Excellent. Now the next step is what? The next step is now look at those numbers. Okay, 1 square is 1, and then I have negative 6 here. Okay, they are numbers, both of them are numbers, they are like terms. I can add them together. So in the left side, okay, in the left side, the x minus 2 will continue like this, equals to positive 1, and negative 6 is negative 5. So I just forget about this, and then I do 2. 2 times 1 is still 2, square root of, I'm using this one, okay? This is 2x minus 6, right? 2x minus 6 plus, okay, bring this one. 2x. Now instead of -6, because I have 1 here, it's gonna be -5. Okay, this is the simplified form for the first step. Now let me keep going now from this. From this, all I can do is, well, I can eliminate this. Okay, look at this 2x and then this x minus 2 are like terms, so I can combine them together. Okay, so all I can do is minus 2x, right, plus 5. Okay, if I do that, minus 2x plus 5. Okay, so this will cancel, this will cancel, so it will leave me with this. Okay, this is gonna give me, simply this step is gonna give me what is x minus 2x. X minus 2x is minus x. Minus 2 plus 5 is what? Plus 3. Okay, equals to twice of, this is only to x minus 6 I have in the right side. Excellent. Now I have to think about this one again. So at this step again, I can go ahead and then square them both. Okay, square both. Okay, I can square them both. If I square them both, what I'm gonna get? Well, this is minus x plus 3 square equals to 2 into square root of 2x minus 6 square. Okay, all right. Now this, the left side minus x minus 3 the whole square is, it is simply writing it twice, so that will give me this. All right, you can distribute it. That's gonna give me x squared minus 3x minus 3x plus 9 equals to, all right, so what is this? This is gonna be the 2 here, will square the 2 and gonna give me 4, and then that 2 will cancel the symbol, so that's gonna be 2x minus 6. Okay, remember, if you have a b the whole square, this is just the square works for both of them, that is a square b square. Okay, so that's very important point here. All right, now let's fix this again. So this is gonna give me x squared minus 6x plus 9 equals to, so I can work on this. I can distribute this. 4 times 2x is 8x minus 4 times minus 6 is minus 24. Okay, now it's becoming now beautiful. So the next step is I can, okay, I can just move this one to the left side. Or in other words, what it means is just subtract from both. Okay, subtract minus 8x and then opposite plus 24. Okay, by the opposite. Otherwise, I cannot get 0. I just want to cancel this all. This cancel, this cancel. So that means I have here minus 8x, right? I have the same thing. Okay, 24. Okay, so this is equal to, this is 0, the right side. And then this one is x squared, right? This is going to be x squared minus 6x minus 8x is minus 14x, right? Minus 14x plus 33. Okay, hey, quadratic. This is quadratic, all right? This one is quadratic. Now, I hope you know how to factor quadratic. If you don't know how to factor quadratic, go ahead and then watch the videos on quadratic on this channel. Okay, so this is simply is gonna give me, I'll give you just the answer, x minus 3, okay, and then x minus 11 is equal to 0. What that mean is, if I multiply negative 3 and negative 11, they give me positive 33. If I add negative 3 and negative 11, they give me negative 14. So as I said, watch the video on this one. All right, let's go to the next step. So that's gonna be x minus 3 is equal to 0, or x minus 11 is equal to 0. Now my answer is x is equal to 3, or x is equal to positive 11. Okay, so these are my answers. Okay, these are my answers. But remember, now is the checking time. The checking time. Okay, the checking time. The checking time is here. Let me plug in 3 first. Okay, let me plug in 3 first to the original equation. To the original equation. The original equation was, remember, this was this x minus 2, right, minus square root of 2x minus 6 is equal to 1. Okay, so plug in 3. Okay, we are checking for 3 first. So this is gonna be 3 minus 2 minus 2 times 3 minus 6, right, is equal to 1. Okay, 3 minus 1 is just 1, right? 3 minus 1 is 1, which is square root of 1, minus, all right? So this is going to be 2 minus 3 is 2 times 3 is 6, 6 minus 6 is 0, 0 equals to 1. Okay, so square root of 1 is 1 minus square root of 0 is 0 is equal to 1. Okay, 1 is equal to 1. So this is very true. So that means 3 works. Okay, 3 is my answer. 3 is my answer. Okay, I can plug in 3 here. Okay, I use 3 as my answer. So the next one is 11. I have to go ahead and then check it 11. If I plug in 11 here, so let me check 11. Let me check 11. Square root of, right? 11 minus 2 minus, right? The square root of 2 times 11. 2 times 11 is 22. Okay, minus 6. This is equal to 1. So 11 minus 2 is square root of 9, right? Minus, okay, square root of 22 minus 6 is 16. All right, because 22 minus 6 is 16 is equal to 1. So 9 is 3, right? 3 minus square root of 16 is 4 equals to 1. So 3 minus 4 is negative 1. Negative 1 is 1. This is false. Okay, this is false. So since this one is false, I cannot take 11 as my answer. So my answer is just only number 3. Okay, only number 3. All right, next. Also, let me show you another example, which is cubic. Okay, cubic root. Okay, when we have cubic root, what we have to do? Okay, what we have to do? Example number 2. Example number 2. All right, look now. Let me change my pencil. Okay, so assume you have this. The cube root of x squared plus 23, right, is equal to 3. All right, remember now, since this one is cube root, okay, you have to say now cube both sides, cube both sides. Okay, cube both. This is not square root. Remember, this is very important. This is not square root. This is cube root. So if it is cube root, you have to cube both sides. What does that mean? All right, so this is basically cube root of, right, cube root of x squared plus 23 equals to 3. All right, this is cube, and then the same thing, this cube. Okay, so this cube will cancel this, the whole thing. So I have x squared plus 23 equals to 9. Okay, equals to 9. Okay, so what's next? The next is I have well, sorry, I made a mistake here. Look at that one. 3 cube is not 9, 3 cube is 27. Okay, 3 times 3 times 3 is basically 27. All right, that is 27. So all I have to do is I have to write 27 here. Okay, a little mistake. So this is gonna be x squared equals to 27 minus 23. Okay, I subtract 23 from both sides. Okay, so this is gonna be x squared is equal to 27 minus 3 is just 4. Okay, okay, then x equals to plus or minus square root of 4. Okay, then x is equal to 2 and negative 2. Okay, 2 and negative 2. So check those answers now. Check. All right, check which one to take. So cube root of, the answer is here, cube root of negative 2 square, negative 2 square plus 23 is equal to 3. Okay, so this is going to be cube root of, what is 2 square? 2 square is just 4. Negative 2 square is 4 plus 23 is equal to 3. All right, so this is cube root of 27 is equal to 3. What is cube root of 27? So what number can give me 27 when I multiply 3 times by itself, which is 3, because 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. 3 is equal to 3, so this is correct. All right. So if I check the next number, obviously the 2, this one is -2, and if I plug in 2, again, it's gonna give me the same number because 2 square is 4, -2 square is 4. So automatically, I don't need to do anything even, but just let's do this one. Cube root of 2 square plus 23 is equal to 3. This is cube root of 27 is equal to 3, right? Which is equal to true. So my answers are now confirmed. 2 and -2 are my correct answers. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I will see you another time with another video. Have a great day.